Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.8, Problem 25. This is Section 2.8, Problem 25. It says, Robert has 1 cup of sugar. If he follows a recipe that requires 3/16 of a cup of sugar, how much sugar will he have left? So this is a subtraction problem with fractions. So Robert has 1 cup of sugar. So I'm going to go 1 minus 3/16, the amount of sugar required by the recipe, and we'll see how much he has left. Now this is kind of an odd problem. Not only do I not have a matching denominator, one of them is a whole number and the other one's a fraction. So the way to deal with this is just rewrite the whole problem. Let's forget what I originally wrote. And the minus 3/16 will stay. But the 1, I'm going to write in the form of 16 over 16. That's a 1, and now I have a common denominator. Now notice the 1 I decided to change into the same number over itself so that it matched the original denominator. Let's say my denominator was 27. Let's say I had 3 over 27. The 1 would be written as 27 over 27. Or if my denominator here were, say, 86, the 1 would be 86 over 86. Because my denominator was a 16, I chose to do 16 over 16. There are an infinite number of ways I can write a 1 if I have the same number over itself. But now I have a common denominator, simple and straightforward. My answer will be some value over 16. What value will it be? Combine the numerators. 16 from the 1 minus 3. 16 minus 3 is 13. So if Robert makes this recipe, he'll have 13/16 cups of sugar left. And since this is an application problem, you can put units of measure in your answer. 13/16 cups of sugar. Or 13/16 of a cup of sugar would probably be even better, but this would be fine.